On this video today, I'm going to show you a copy and paste strategy that you can use to make up to $400 per day on Clickbank as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that you can use this method to make money from wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create a Clickbank account. Once you create your account and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select a category so that you can get products to promote. You can see these are all categories of products that you can promote to make money on Clickbank. You can see a whole lot of them. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting products under the e-business and e-marketing category. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is a product that you can promote to earn money. You can see this is the commission rate, $58.52 per every sale that you get, and you can see that it has a high gravity. So when you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote to earn money on this platform. You can see the second one, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. The commission rate is $19.90 per every sale that you get. As I scroll, you can see a lot of them. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. It has a commission rate of $268.85, and you can see the initial conversion is $184.48. So that is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. And you can see it has recurring rebill. You can see it right here, and you can see the recurring rebill is $121.79. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. To promote the product, the next step is that we are going to look at the affiliate page so that we can find out if the product owner has some resources that we can use to promote the product. So just click right here, affiliate page. Once you click on the affiliate page, you can see they have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have images, they have email swipes that you can use, and when you come here, you can see product information. So if you want more information about the product, you can click on it and then read more so that you can get some basic information about the product before you promote it. When you come right here, you can see other tools. So there are many tools that you can use to promote the product. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using the email swipes. So just click on it so that you can check the email swipes that you can use. You can see they have a lot of different email swipes that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see these are the email swipes. They have up to 16. So it is easy for you to promote this product. You don't need to do a lot of work. The product owner has done most of the work for you. So what you have to do is that you have to just click on these emails and then copy them so that you can use them to promote the product. So now that we know the product owner has resources that we can use to promote the product, the next step is that we are going to get our affiliate link so that we can use it to promote the product. To get your affiliate link, you are going to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, create hop link. Once you click on create hop link, you are going to see your affiliate link right here. This is the link that you have to promote. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning money. So you can click right here to copy your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the product. Once we have our affiliate link, the next step is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people to click through this particular link and then purchase the product so that we can be earning money. So the next step is that we are going to come on this website, state of the art mailer. This particular website allows you to send emails for free. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this particular website to send emails to people so that they can read more about the product and then buy the product for money. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin using this particular website. In this case, I have an account, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log in. If you don't have an account, you can just click login so that you can create one. In my case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to use this particular platform. Once you create your accounts, you are going to be seeing something like this. You can see you have to wait for some seconds so that you can earn credit. So if you don't want, you can just click right here, no thanks, so that you can proceed to the members area. You can see you are going to see us like this. So just click on continue to the members area so that you can get access to your account. So you can see this one. If you want, you can just click right here to skip it. They always try to sell something to you when you are logging into your account, so just ignore all of these and then click right here. You can see no thank you. Just click on that so that you can proceed to the members area. Just click on it. Don't buy anything. If you want, you can buy. If you don't have the money, just keep everything. So once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, they have a lot of things that you can do. You can see advertise. So when you click on it, you can see send email ad. So you can send an email ad to members on this platform. You can see send golden solo ad. So this particular option you have to pay, so ignore all of this and then use send email ad. To send an email ad, what you have to do is that you have to first of all get credit so that you can use those credits to send emails. To get credits, just click right here, get credit. Once you click on it, you are going to select on claim solo ads credit. So just select that. Once you select that, you are going to see an ad like this. You can see this is an ad that someone is promoting on the platform. So now what you have to do is that you have to click this particular link to earn credit for viewing this ad. So just click on it so that you can earn the credit. Once you click on it, you can see you have to wait for some few seconds so that you can get the credit. As you can see, it is counting, so you just wait for it. As you can see, that has been done. You have earned credit. You can see now my total credit is 1,837. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to keep on viewing different ads so that you can earn credit. And once you earn the credit, you are going to use it to run free ads on this platform. In my case, I have credit, so I'm going to show you how to run the ads on this platform. So let's just click on go back. Once you earn the credit, you can now begin to run the ad. If you want to earn money, you can equally do that. When you click on the get credits, you can see right here, click for cash. So when you select that option, you are going to be earning money instead of credits. Once you earn the money, you can cash it out. If you want money, you can choose this option. If you want to run ads, you can choose this option. So you can choose any of them that you want. In this case, we are using the unclaimed solo ad credit. So we have earned some of the credit. Now what we have to do is that we have to use our credit to run ads on this platform. So just click right here, advertise. Once you click on advertise, you are going to select send email ad. Once you click on send email ad, you can see the levels that you can use. You can see a whole lot of different levels. So it starts with the button. So the button is 500 members. If you are new to the platform with few credit, you can only send to 500 members. If you earn more credit, you can send up to 1,500 members. If you earn more than that, you can send up to 3,000 members. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on viewing the emails so that you can earn a lot of credit. Once you earn a lot of credit, you can send an email to many people. You can see you can even send up to 5,000 members. You can send up to 7,500 members. So it depends on the number of credit that you have earned on the platform. In this case, you can see I've sent to 500 members. Now my level is 1,500 members. So I have to earn more credit. You can see this is the number of credit that I have to earn to unlock this particular option. So right now my level is the second one. So I'm going to be using that one to advertise. So now once this is my level, I'm going to click on it so that I can send the email out to 1,500 members. Once you click on it, you can see enter your ad URL. So this is where you are going to enter your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Clickbank and then click right here copy so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see submit URL. So you have to click on it so that you can submit the URL. So just click on it. Once you click on submit, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is where you're going to paste the subject of your email. You can see this is your affiliate link. So now the next step is that you have to go back on the product affiliate support page so that you can copy and paste the emails right here. Once you come back on the affiliate support page of the product, you can see these are the email swipes that you can use. You can use any of them. In this case, I prefer email number 10, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the subject of the email. If you want, you can copy this one right here. In this case, I want to copy the first one, so just highlight and copy it. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to copy and paste the body of the email right here. So just come back. Once you come back, you can see this is the body of the email. Just highlight everything. So just highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can click right here to preview your email. So let's just click on it so that we can see how it will look like. As you can see, this is the preview of our email. You can see everything. Once you have seen the preview of your email, the next step is that you are going to click right here, send email now. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see mail complete. Your email has been placed in queue and will be sent shortly. So your email has been placed in a queue and is going to be sent to 1,500 members. Once the email is sent to them, most of them are going to read the email and then click on your affiliate link. Those who like it, they are going to purchase it for you to make the money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, Kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.